Congratulations on your choice of a Super Speedster. You'll be very pleased with the performance of this car, the handling, the braking, and we're going to show you why in this installation manual. The first thing we're going to show you is the installation of the front suspension. The front suspension is Subaru. It's part of the Subaru Impreza platform. And the first thing you do is you install the lower arm into the beam, which is already positioned on the frame for you, and the pivot bolt installs in the back beam, which is already there, and the front bolt. And you stand it up to hold it in position while you do the next step. That is your lower arm. The next step is going to be the positioning of the knuckle. The knuckle has the ball joint and all of the other critical connections for the steering and alignment. Step after that is the installation of the shock. The shock itself has a spring and a adapter which you will be providing, but the shock itself and the upper bearing comes from the Subaru, which you'll be getting in your Subaru parts package. You suspend the shock from the already positioned and drilled holes, and you install the Subaru factory camber adjusting bolt and the lower bolt securing the shock absorber to, or rather the cartridge strut to the spindle. With that done, the next step is to put the nut on the ball joint from below using, once again, the factory nut, or if you replace your ball joints, the one that comes with the new ball joint. From this point forward, we'll be talking about the brakes. The rack, which has already been positioned, is now attached to the spindle. The rotor is installed simply by placing onto the spindle. And as a matter of convenience, you can put your bracket of your brake and your brake caliper and your loaded pads all in one fell swoop. It can be done separately, but it's easy enough to do it this way. Of course, you will go back and tighten every one of these bolts utilizing Loctite, twist wires if you so desire, or Nylox where appropriate. The brake hose, which is the factory brake hose, is restrained on the shock, just like in the factory situation, to protect it from overflexing. And then you have your last nut up on the top of the strut. And of course, those will all be tightened down. And there you are. Less than 4 minutes, you have installed the entire right front suspension, attached it to the steering rack, positioned the brake hose for hooking up to the brake system, which will be done later. All the parts that are shown there are Subaru parts except the strut, which we furnish with the kit. Congratulations. Hope you have the same success on your installation as we've shown here.